In my last video, I spoke about calling the professional help and getting him checked for this water leakage issue. So after him looking into that, he suggested that there is high pressure coming out of this pressure pump which is connected to the washing machine. So this is the pressure pump controller, guys. There is a range and there is a differential which you need to adjust. So once that is adjusted, it should reduce, but in my case that was not the problem. There is an altogether different problem which is coming out of this powder tray of the washing machine, and it was going inside and through this rubber lining of the drum. It was going inside and then coming out from there. So let's watch it fully to see the solution.
Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Explored. This is your host Hari Kishan. I make lots of videos on technical product reviews, do-it-yourself fixes, Sanatana Dharma, interesting facts which help you and make your life better by saving your valuable time and money. Like, subscribe and share would be highly appreciable.
Yes, let's continue with the video. If possible, please do like, share and subscribe, which will help this channel. So this is that controller on the pressure pump which I was talking about. So this has a range and a differential which you need to adjust. The range, as you can see, is in bar and psi. So I can make a separate video on that, but let's continue with this problem. This is the problem which I found out. The professional was asking about to change the entire washing machine instead of just replacing this part. So what I have come up is instead of replacing this tray with a new one, even if we replace this tray with a new one, there is no guarantee that this water will stop leaking. So he did not suggest that, he was suggesting. So what I came up with is putting a high quality 3M tape around this so that this water can be stopped. So this is a high quality 3M tape, guys. Remember, it's not a normal yellow tape which is found in any of the stationery shops. So you need to get this high quality 3M tape and then fix it the way, either ways, under the tray and to the washing machine. So this tape and that tape both gets interlocked and it will stop the water. And after fixing this tape, I was very much sure that it will stop the water leakage, because this was the root cause. And this is the test run which I myself made to check whether it leaks in any of the cycles, whether it be the first water pulling cycle or the water sucking cycle, or in the middle of the cycles where it sucks water from the pressure pump. And also this is the pressure pump, guys, which I was talking about, the Crompton pressure pump. There is an issue with this as well, which I'm going to further continue these videos in part 5 and part 4, part 5 and part 6, sorry. So this is part 4 and this is the fix for washing machine leakage. So as you can see, guys, this was the place from where the water was leaking. If you remember, in part 1 and part 2 I was talking about a fix with the solution of M-seal, fixing M-seal. So now that M-seal part is completely removed, and then even after removing, there is no any sort of leakage which was observed. It's been almost more than a month now and I have not observed any sort of a single drop of a leakage. So this is a complete fix, guys, I can assure you. If you fix the high quality 3M tape which I suggested, the red color one, it is so sticky on both sides. Thank you guys for watching, and please do watch the next parts of the video for the Crompton pressure pump related issues and how to fix them, which will save you eventually lots and lots of bucks. Thank you.